I never had a picture with any of my best friends because
Bro, like, just be real, bro.
Once, fine. Twice, fine.
Yeah.
Third, fourth, fifth time, you cannot.
can't.
But sometimes life just happens
Yeah.
and you just have to go with it.
I feel they all look similar.
Cigarette and alcohol doesn't
Doesn't
give you
give cancer.
cancer.
Mouth
You
cancer
can
must
enjoy
be-
every week.
Fun fact that nobody knows about you.
So even now, if I say that I'm on my period and everyone's around me,
It's very unlikely for us to also follow the rule book that you're talking about.
That makes me so old.
Oh my god.
They are my colleagues.
it is really far from the city.
Yeah.
I have no idea how to define a friend, honestly. I think I do have best friends. I do have close friends, but I don't have friends. I do have colleagues. I have people I meet, clients maybe, but I don't have friends. Like they might be my acquaintances, but yeah, I think I honestly don't understand what having a friend means.
I think a lot of people, like when I tell them that I am doing good in my life, they will actually never reply to me. Like honestly, like a lot of my friends, in my definition, they will actually not reply to me. And then when I'm like, actually, I'm not joking, they don't reply, they ghost me or something, and then they randomly come back when they have work.
Work, yeah.
So I feel that is a red flag.
Selfish.
Yeah, that is selfish. For me,
I think one red flag is jealousy.
oh my god.
I mean, I am your closest friend. So if I am doing remotely something that makes me happy, the least I do is for you to either be nonchalant or be slightly happy for me.
Yeah.
You change as a person and your friendships change. Maybe for the better, maybe for the worse. We don't know that. But they are meant to change because you don't have as much time as you used to. Because now you're working.
My mom says this one thing: all your friends won't be with you all your life. Like, for me, like she said this for me because she has seen me and my life. And the reason why she told me is, stop expecting a lot from people if you are giving your 100 and they were not giving me back. Like, I lost all my friends. I had a serious breakdown with everyone. And I think that time I didn't know the word, the term. But now when I came to college, similar things happen. You're new. People are mean. People will be selfish and mean to you. And then I connect. I'm like, okay, this is like a deja vu for me. This has happened. And that like took really like a toll on me.
First time I ever felt like, dude, like this ain't happening. Like I was so done. And for me, I'm a big crier.
Oh, yeah.
I'm angry, I'll cry. I'm happy, I'll cry. I don't want to talk, I'll cry. Like in terms of if you're yelling at me, I can't get myself to put words in my mouth.
Yeah. Never had a picture with any of my best friends because I was constantly told I'm fat and I never wanted to be in front of camera. Like,
Yeah.
no, we don't. It was always like a selfie. I never had a solo.
Yeah.
Now I'm so comfortable.
वहां पर ऐसे हो रहा है तो मैं बोली कि नहीं सब एजेड आदमी डर जाएंगे इसलिए उनको बोला कुछ नहीं हो रहा है वहां पे हम लोग एकदम शांति से हैं हम लोग घूमने गए हुए थे वहां पर यही कि भाई अगर कभी भी कोई को गुस्सा आ रहा है या हो रहा है एक बार तुम चुप रह जाओ शांत हो जाए हो तो फिर बात क्लियर कर लेना
वो है कि अगर एक गुस्से में है उससे प्यार से बात
बात
करो
कर।
फिर जब वो शांत
प्यार
हो
से
जाए
नहीं,
प्यार से नहीं, एक बार चुप हो
चुप
जाओ
हो जाओ।
हो जाओ।
चुप हो जाओ फिर आराम से
आराम से बात
हाँ,
करो।
क्योंकि ये मैं भी करती हूँ कि आपको एक ऐसा कोई एडवाइस दिया है जो आप अभी तक फॉलो करते हो।
मेरी मम्मी और पापा ने दिया था कि तू इस घर से जा रही है अब वो तेरा ही घर है उधर से ही तेरे को निकलना है कभी भी 100 बरस पूरे हो तेरे को उधर ही रहना है हम लोगों के पास वापस नहीं आना है कि भाई लड़ाई होगी मैं मेरी मम्मी के पास जाती हूँ नो हम लोगों को बहुत डर लगता है कि हमारे माँ बाप को कोई क्या बोलेंगे
And I was the second one. Like,
You didn't know about it?
No, I did not. I came to know like after like 1.5 years.
What?
Yeah.
I hate excuses, okay? Because I tried
Yeah.
my best not to give. So when someone says I was busy the entire day,
No. No one.
how I'm in the middle of the podcast, I say hi. That's all it took. Think about it. You invest 6 months talking to someone
Yeah.
only to get only to get ghosted.
Sorry, I can't. Like, I had a bad fight with my parents, so I'm not in the mood.
Bad fight.
Like, bro, like, just be real, bro. Nahi aana to nahi aana. Like,
So
just be real.
Yeah.
My only assumption is that
They're
they're just bored.
They just
Yeah.
want some.
Because they keep covering it up with excuses like we're busy, work got hectic, this happened.
And even
And
we
like,
have work.
I mean, does it mean we're not busy?
See, what I can say is, like, I definitely think, like, on some days you're just like, okay, I want to just, like, log off.
I'm a CEO of second guessing everything I do. So that was going on and I was going through it because, yeah, I mean, adulting.
So many thoughts, and I think there was a point where we both were like crying about it on the same day. And just telling each other, like, she was telling me, and I was telling her, and we both were actually crying on the same time.
You just tend to be like a horse. You're just looking at your brand because it's your baby at the end of the day, and
exactly,
that
yeah.
becomes your vision.
Yeah.
Period of it becoming famous is like so
Famous,
long.
so
Let's
long.
just skip to
Yeah.
I've
It would be
already
so nice
made
to
it.
just skip to the good
Yeah.
parts, right? I wish it
But-
was all a reel.
Yeah, but I think
swear, like 15 seconds, everything in like a
Yeah.
millisecond we have done.
yeah,
Everything we have
that's true.
just. But that's not how it works.
Really
It's
not. I think
Yeah, I think that's what I'm trying to say, that it's sometimes so difficult to explain the career path people
Yeah.
want to do, and the competition is in the head more than it's out
It's
there.
so much. I feel everyone wants to, obviously, everybody wants to be successful, but I feel there's just too much of competition around you.
Like you fasted for 2 days, after the second day, you're not really feeling hungry.
Hmm.
You've lost your hunger. After that, it is your Instagram telling you this is what you might need. But third day when I broke my fast, I say 2 days, I'm like, okay, I need to eat this once I'm done. I need to eat that once I'm done. Third day, you're not eating any of that. Firstly, you shouldn't, because you can't really start off with a heavy meal. Secondly, you don't want to eat it only because now you can. It is like that daily thing, अगर जो नहीं मिलता है वो चाहिए.
Exactly. That's typical human psychology again. Water intake is very important. My husband hardly drinks 1 liter of water. And then he complains my digestion is very bad. The food is very bad. And I was like, you have to drink water.
She's
Drink
getting
water.
the.
Yeah,
See,
I
water is
drink
very
water.
important for your hydration, for your digestion, for your skin, collagen, everything. So sleep, water, movement of body, and balance of protein, fats, carbs, and fiber. You're good to go.
What's the first
You
thing?
don't need me then.
Yeah, that maybe.
Yeah.
What's the first thing that you would suggest one to have? Like, for example, my mum makes sure we have like one vegetable juice. Probably not the first, the second thing in the morning. First will, one of my gym trainers once told me to have like water with lemon, honey, and ginger. Someone says you shouldn't have the same thing every day. So you keep changing every day. One day have chia water, one day have this water, one day have
Okay.
that water. Then my uncle once told me that you really don't make it so difficult for yourself. Just drink one glass of normal water once you wake up and then see what works out.
Took for both of you to like be like, oh my god, I'm going to marry it. I'm going to marry him or her.
I think 10-15 minutes. And I was aware. Like I was.
Both of you?
I think, yeah, maximum 1 hour. And then I was like, oh my God, I'm going to get married to him.
Yeah,
And
like-
in my head, I'm like, please say yes. Just say yes. I do not want to.
I'm
like, go-
understanding out of all of this, I feel like it's so much more difficult to say yes to someone who you're confused about for a while. Then imagine meeting a person randomly on a random day, and in the first few hours, you just know that this is the guy you're going to spend, or this is the person you're going to spend the rest of your life with.
See, weirdly, when everyone asks me this, when she asked me the same question, I was like, I don't have a criteria. For me, it's very, like, I mean, you can even say trivial at this point, but I'm a very comfort person. I want to feel comfortable with the person.
Of course.
If I don't feel comfortable, I'm like very weirdly, I've never, like, I was in the US, as I'm told. All my friends, they had like Tinder, Hinge, like multiple apps. I've never been on any of the apps. I never even actively tried to have a girlfriend because I'm still very old school in that thinking. I'm like, when I feel if I meet
Yeah, of
someone
course.
personally and I feel comfortable, and I'm yeah, that's it for me.
What do you plan on dealing with it?
Not like you have spoken about how we'll deal with it, and his answer is communication.
I love that. If you'll watch all the episodes of our podcast, that's all I talk about.
Yeah.
I'm like a communication guru.
Because let's say we make a lot of mistakes and we put that up on our stories and we talk about what's happening behind the scenes as well, and then we show them that okay, this is what we've done now. So our initial batch of products, basically, they were a complete failure, I'll tell you that. Like, we sent out a lot of tops and they all came back to us and a lot of complaints, and luckily the girls who sent us back, they gave us a chance to fix it. Pop up. So we went there with like QR codes of Summer Sun. We just dropped it everywhere in case someone finds it and scans it. But we don't know if it worked out or not. So we tried our hand on everything. We were like, you miss 100% of the shots that you don't take. So we didn't want to miss out on anything.
I love how you said that.
Yeah, I think I'm blown away already. Yeah, because I think a lot of people talk about it that things like this happen, but you eventually just learn from it, whatever it is, or you either come up with a better idea.
Yeah.
These are the situations that push you to think bigger and better and rectify it because no one else will if you won't.
I realized that I have to drop this and I have to own who I am. So there was actually this one point after a year where I had some milestones that I had which could make me feel confident, and even honestly the world needs those milestones for
Definitely.
them to take you seriously. So I think after that I just decided that I'm not going to do this anymore, and I started hiring only women. I started working only with women startups. I started in fact outsourcing my work to women owned factories so that we can at least support each other and stop acting like the way the world does. Everything about the system, I personally believe that possibly नहीं है तो दूसरे को hurt क्यों करना है. I feel like अगर उनका system इतना stringent है, if we go to the kitchen, yes, we will feel momentary happiness that we change the system, but we're actually not changing the system because she's not agreeing to the thought. So what we can do is, like you're saying, I educate my brother. He's also 16. I have a brother who is 16-year-old. With him, I have made sure that he carries the legacy forward where he does not, do any of this or finds it normal or whatever it is. It's the same thing with Akshit. It's the same thing with my cousin brothers. Don't want to talk about it. They are only going to manufacture and there's no women in the process. So super awkward, super weird, super I would say truth bombing happened. I was like, acha, ye hai reality, and I have to work around it.
What is the intent? Yeah, but what's the intent? If you're sitting here doing nothing and manifesting 10 crores in your bank account, it's delusion. But if you're sitting here and manifesting 10 crores and asking, okay, give me work and working hard for it, then yes.
It makes sense.
So being in a delusion is very subjective to your goal and your intent. If your intent is, I'm sitting here, Bhagwan, just make me a house and give me a Mercedes, does that work? Doesn't work.
What's something that you have seen or taken from the unseen world and that you want people to know more about or have like a little bit knowledge?
Have a lot of gratitude for wherever you are. Always have the right intent. And usually humans don't understand this about each other is, if somebody is doing wrong to you, they know it. From the unseen world is, you can see it too, but have the right frequency. And plus have a lot of gratitude and don't try to be the karma person. Let the karma play its role. It will play. This life, next life, it will come back. But just by putting up a status, karma will come back. It doesn't come back.
When you're a kid, we were taught saying that, money is not everything, right?
Yeah.
Don't run behind money,
Correct.
right?
Yes.
But it's true, right?
Yeah.
But what happens is, current world, nothing moves without money.
True.
That's
Right?
actually true. Who are billionaires? If they're billionaires, they see someone like on top of them, like, oh, I want more money. So it's never ending. You'll always think top, and it will keep on going. It will never stop.
Thing, right? One is the habit.
Yeah.
That wealth is not based on your earning. Wealth is your habit.
Consistency.
Wow.
I need to write it down. That
Yeah, like you notice it, you won't get what you want. But the idea is I think our generation is not crying for those things. We don't cry for sympathy. We don't cry to get things. I think that's long gone, the years where I used to cry for a toy. You know what I mean? I think we cry for being disrespected. I think we probably cry because we're not heard. I think we cry because we don't want to yell at you. We don't want to raise our voice and say some bullshit. So our outlet of an emotion comes out as crying. Where she spoke about how quitting is so underrated. Why is quitting always taken in a negative way? I mean, imagine how great it is that you know you don't like something.
Exactly.
And you know you can do something better with your life. So you say, okay, bye bye. I will focus on what's next. We always give an award to people who do things they don't like.
Yeah.
But why?
I want to draw the line between my personal self and the professional self. So eventually in family settings itself, like in the back of my head, I'll be like, okay, you know what, this might be because of this. But then when I'm talking or, conversing with people, it's just gonna be what I am, not what I do.
It's how you walk, talk,
Talk,
behave, everything.
behave, yeah.
Like what energy do you bring to the room? What's your presence? When I wake up, yesterday was yesterday.
Oh, wake up with new thoughts. It's a new day.
Yeah.
Sleep over it. I mean, you have slept over.
Whatever happened yesterday, and you
Yesterday.
can't change it.
You cannot change.
That's true.
A lot quicker than we can imagine.
Hmm.
And that can push us do better things.
Yeah, it's true.
All of us behave like we're gonna live forever. What an absolute lie.
I think it was also a question of the longer we stayed there, like the more embedded you get. Like we were thinking of buying a house. We were thinking of, like, okay, should we get married? Should we have kids? And yeah, then it was just, if we're ever going to take the risk, it has to be now when we're still in our 20s. Before you have so many responsibilities, because it just gets harder and harder. And like we were climbing the corporate ladder, but to what end? If our end goal was not to stay in that life, like it didn't make sense for us to just stay. It was a lot. Yeah, it was a lot, but it was so fun.
It was. I think that boosted your confidence.
Yeah, it did.
More orders, more like that. I have to do this.
Yeah, and people, like, I didn't even ask them, but people would send me like feedback and they would share their reviews and they'd be like, oh my God, this is so nice. Yes.
So they're just stuck.
Yeah.
And they think about it a couple, let's say days or months later, and they said, oh shit, we need to start from the start again. The mistake that people do is go back to zero.
Yes.
We forget that we're already at the 5.
Yeah, you need to.
How about we go figure out how to go ahead
Up front.
instead of coming here and then coming here and then going up.
Yeah.
So I think that's the push that you got, and you decided to go from 5 to 10.
Really, yeah. And yeah, without the support, I wouldn't even have picked it back up. Like, after I dropped it the first time, if it wasn't,
because
I wouldn't have picked it up. If he hadn't said, why don't you try the store, like, I wouldn't have done it.
So mind and body are not two separate entities.
Okay.
It's one unit. Let's say you tell yourself, I'm feeling this anxiety, I'm feeling anxious, and I'm feeling anxious. What happens after some time? You start feeling it here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Your body is the barometer of your mind. So the emotions that you say, because emotion, if you break the word, energy, in motion. Now energy can either be created or destroyed.
Yeah.
It will only get transformed. It is in your unconscious mind, subconscious or unconscious, something that I'm not conscious of.
Oh.
Right? So whenever there is a situation, the subconscious, first of all, will see whether you have gone through it or not. So the moment, if it's the first time I came here, right? So I didn't know the route. So I was a bit anxious. Am I going to reach here on time? Right? But next time I will reach here on time.
Correct.
So whenever there is a situation, it will look into the database, and if it is unknown, it's a bit anxious. You're going to fight or flight. But if it is known, it is peace.
Then.
And it'll keep repeating the same reaction or action again and again. That's why it's very difficult for us to change habits.